Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not, and is not intended to, constitute legal advice. Instead, all information in the contents are for informational purposes only, and whatever the results is for you. I have no responsibility anymore. 10P Applicants. Recruitment. What is the 2023 to 2020 for quota for PNP? According to Police Colonel Jean P. Panizin, Recruitment and Selection Unit pursue NCR, there will be 6,000 quota nationwide, distributed per region for the year 2023. That will be determined by the napolcom. Good news! To all PNP applicants for the year 2023, please be informed that the comprehensive online recruitment encrypting system, CORS portal is open for eligible male and female applicants is in need of new police officers patrolwoman for calendar year 2023, regular and attrition recruitment program with a monthly base pay of PAHN 29,668. According to Police Colonel Jean B. Panizin, and Selection Unit pursue NCR, there will be 6,000 quote nationwide distributed per region for the year 2023 that will be determined by the napolcom, 1,000 for regular, and 5,000 for attrition recruitment, she added. The said application can be processed through Comprehensive Online Recruitment Encrypting System, CORS portal at PNP-RSS. The quota will be distributed to the different police regional offices, pros, and other forces of the PNP. Please access immediately because it is a first-come first-save basis system. Online application link, see the description below. Applicants are reminded of the following. 1. Body Mass Index BMI with the maximum passing value of 26.5. 2. Practice and exercise daily for physical agility test PAT. All applicants are required to pass all stages and must meet the following minimum standard. A. Sit up. Male 35 1 minute, female 25 1 minute. B. Push up. Male 35 1 minute, female 25 1 minute. C. 3 kilometers run, male 19 minutes, female 21 minutes. For those who are interested to join the PNP, but have not yet registered, please log into https://app.cors.pnrss.com/signup. However, the PNP RSS will accept walk-in applicants at Marikina City, provided that the applicant must have all the documentary requirements. Documents must be scanned in PDF format for uploading in the CORS portal. Eligible professionals, including medical practitioners, are encouraged to join. For initial requirements, kindly prepare the following documents in PDF format. A. Notarized CSC and PNP personnel data sheet, handwritten. B. PSA-issued birth certificate of patrolman, patrolwoman, and family documents for issuance of certificate of declared beneficiary. B. 1 computerized affidavit of confirmation. B. 2 PSA-issued advisory on marriage of PNP personnel. B. 3 PSA-issued advisory on marriage of spouse. B. 4 PSA-issued marriage contract. B. 5 PSA-issued birth certificate of dependents. B. 6 PSA-issued certificate of non-marriage CENMAR. B. 7 photocopy of valid ID with 3 specimen signatures. For married B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, for single B1, B5, B6 and B7, C. Affidavit of undertaking regarding incontestability of declared birth date. D. Educational background, college diploma and transcript of record TOR. General weighted average GWA of TOR. Good moral character from school last attended. E. Eligibility napolcom CSCPD number 907. Report of rating. PRC shall also attach the authenticated PRC licensed. F. Clearances authenticated PRC licensed. National Police Clearance. Barangay, Mayor Ad Hoc Committee Recommendation. Prosecutor Fiscal. MTC. RTC. NBI. G. Service for previous employment on the government. Service if any original. 1 pic bust size JPEG. 2 PCS 2x2 colored with name tag JPEG, use white background. I. Photocopy of valid ID. J. Tax identification number. K. Height waiver if any. To be inserted by ARPERMD. L. Appointment order and oath of office. M. Fingerprint and handwritten specimen PNP crime laboratory. N. PPE result. O. Drug test result. P. Agility test. Here are some of the documents, like clearances, that an applicant must have and submit online. Note: the documentary requirements that are marked required are mandatory to comply. Just focus on the required documents. If you want to be a police officer, now is your chance because the N already has a quota. Don't miss this opportunity, because it might be the one for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more related videos.